In this video, we are going to discuss about the nerve root of median nerve. So let's start. Median nerve is arising from C5, C6, C7, C8 and T1. Then it gives no branches in axilla and brachial plexus. In upper arm, it gives supplies to brachial artery. In forearm, it gives supply to pronator teres, flexor carpi ulnaris, palmaris longus, flexor digitorum superficialis, and this one is for elbow joint, anterior interosseous nerve. This one is for flexor pollicis longus, and this one is for flexor digitorum profundus, lateral half of flexor digitorum profundus, and this one is for pronator quadratus. These are the branches for forearm. And then move towards hand. In hand, it gives supplies to wrist joint, 3 thenar muscles, first 2 lumbricals, and palmar digital branches to lateral 3.5 fingers. So in this way, this median nerve is passing in our upper limb.